The ability to upload documents and photographs is essential for completing various online transactions. Whether you're applying for a job, signing up for a service, or submitting important forms, knowing how to upload files can make all the difference. First, ensure you have the correct files ready on your device. This might include CVs, identification documents, or even photographs for applications. Next, locate the Upload button on the website or app. It's often represented by an upward-facing arrow or a paperclip icon. Click on that button to open a File Explorer window. From there, navigate to the folder where your documents are stored. Select the files you want to upload and confirm your selection. Once uploaded, you might see a preview or confirmation message. Always double check that the right files are attached before finalizing your transaction.